Hey guys, my name is Reid. I'm a current sophomore and accounting major here at Monmouth College. I'm a Scott ambassador as well as being on the soccer team, and today I'm here with Mason Sanford.
Hey, yeah, my name is Jason Sanford. I'm a junior here, neuroscience major. I play lacrosse here, bagpipes. I'm also a Scots ambassador, so I'm kind of all over little things on campus. I'm also a residential assistant at Graham Hall.
Okay, so let's get into the questions. Mason, what do you think is one of the benefits of the residential campus we have here at Monmouth where you have to live on campus for all 4 years?
When I first came to college, I was kind of like, I didn't know that was not nothing that's normal or not normal. Like I have friends at other schools and they live in apartments or they live in other houses. So when I came here, I thought it was just normal that people lived in dorms for all 4 years. But I think that's nothing wrong with it. I like it almost more because now I can live with my friends, more of my friends, because when you're in a house, you're kind of limited to the amount of friends that you can live with. So when you can live in a dorm hall of 100 students, that's pretty nice to have almost 100 friends with you at all times. So you can always go and see your friends, maybe get distracted doing your homework because I mean, let's be honest, sometimes doing homework isn't the most fun thing to do. So going to see what your friends are up to is always more fun to do.
Yeah. What is it like living in a residence hall here at Monmouth College?
I mean, it's definitely a community, so it's always fun to see what your neighbors are up to. I love it. I think it's fun that you can always you go into the hall, you're going to be seeing your friends. I mean, that's also what Monmouth is. Monmouth is a very friendly campus. Everyone knows everyone. That's again why I chose Monmouth, was because I like how everyone knows everyone. So living in a dorm is just nice because it's just a big old community living together. I'd say it's way better than living in an apartment complex when you are an adult. I mean, granted, we are adults now, but in the real world, you know, you're going to have people all different types of ages and backgrounds. But at least here, we're kind of more closer in age, and we're all pursuing the same, pursuing the basic goals, which is get a degree and in the end, make some memories, make some long-lasting friends. So it's definitely a good time living here in the dorms.
What is an RA and HR, and what do they do?
So the HR is going to be the top dog of the hall, and then the RAs are going to be more of the helpers for the hall. So you're going to have one HR per hall, and with the RAs, you're going to have multiple people per floor, and so I'd say roughly there's going to be probably four to five RAs per hall, and it's basically just kind of like their duties of to make sure the residents are moved in or adjusting to the college well. I mean, granted, there are different types of halls. There's underclassmen halls, upperclassmen halls, but so the duties of those RAs and HRs are going to kind of vary. But the ultimate goal is just to make sure that everyone is well taken care of for the most part. Everyone's enjoying their time here at Monmouth. Everyone has everything they need to be successful. So like the RAs are going to be more probably working with the residents more personally, just because you're going to be interacting with them more. I mean, you live in a dorm as an RA, but when you're the HR, you live in an apartment in the hall. So the RAs always report to the HR, and the HR delegates the task and the duties for the hall. So just the ultimate goal is just to make sure that everyone's doing well, everyone's healthy, and everyone's having a good time here.
I will say as a freshman, the RAs and HRs are kind of scary, but once you get to know them, they're really helpful and they help out a lot having them around. What tips do you have for new students moving to campus and making new friends in these residence halls?
I would say the main thing is like don't be scared. I definitely, looking back, I was a little timid when I was a freshman and kind of like held back and didn't want to put myself out there because again I was kind of like scared. I'm coming from high school and now I'm in the college, you know, everything growing up everyone's like, oh, you go to college, you know, so it was definitely a different atmosphere being in a college. Now I'm the youngest since youngest of the community, the campus. So definitely don't be shy. I know it's easier said than done, but don't be afraid. Just go out, go introduce yourself. Like it's weird going and like every time you see someone almost introducing yourself to them, but it's nice because then in the long run, now you know more of the people that you're going to be sharing your time here at Monmouth. So definitely go out there, definitely introduce yourself. No one's going to be judging you for if you introduce yourself multiple times. I mean, sometimes it took me a while to memorize or to remember people's names. You definitely remember faces, but again, picking up names sometimes, I mean, for me, it took me a little bit longer. So just uh, talk, get active. There's some of the events that get put on, so definitely go to them. Don't be scared to go to events, and don't be afraid of the upperclassmen because in the end, we're all here. We're here at Monmouth together, so we're going to be one school. It doesn't really matter that you're a freshman. It doesn't matter if you're a sophomore, junior, senior. We're just students here at Monmouth College. So try to enjoy that. Try to use that to your advantage and have a good time and enjoy your time here at Monmouth.
Yeah, I agree. You gotta step out of your comfort zone because we're all in the same position. We're at a new college, so no one's gonna judge you if you go out, try to meet new people. Everyone's trying to do the same thing, so don't be scared to do that. Well, thank you very much, Mason. I hope this was helpful for you guys and learned a little bit about what residence life is like here at Monmouth College. And I hope to see you guys here next semester.